Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Saubhagya. So today is Saturday, weekend, and see what I'm up to. I'm just trying to keep myself active throughout the day by doing some home activity, cutting the grass, or giving a new look to the walls of my bedroom. These activities are really important. Okay, by looking at this lawn, I know people will or anyone would give me a worst lawn maintenance award. Woo, that is huge. This week it was raining continuously throughout, and I think the grass has grown over 1 feet. This is too much. Yeah, I should try to take more care, or I should pay more attention to my lawn going forward. Otherwise, I know I'm gonna get ticket and I don't want it. Alright guys, I would suggest don't do like me. Keep a good care of your lawn, and while doing so, you will work out. I think you will be able to achieve those 5,000 steps, at least 5,000 steps. Yeah, it's a great way to keep yourself active. Thank goodness my friends were here to help me. This is Mahesh. Just look at the grass. It seems to me as if he's making a new path altogether. Yeah, see? Looks like he's mowing in a jungle, a grass jungle. If not, nothing less than that. He's Mahesh. He's a really good guy. He's just helping me out through this big lawn. Sometimes I feel I'm so lazy. Had it been these guys, I would have been struggling, trust me. Here's Lata, and she is helping me with the grass, the leftover cut grass. She's accumulating to throw it at the end. Yeah, I think I should have used the bag. But never mind, it is done. And here she is, collecting the grass. And I'm filming these two people while they're working, and I'm just watching. They're gonna kill me. I should definitely treat them for this. Guys, what do you think? I should treat them with what? Another set of workout? Or something good, a coffee, or let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I really appreciate the help that these two guys are putting in for this messed up lawn. See how it looks? Okay, finally I'm putting hands too. But anyways, after mowing the lawn, just look at it, how it looks, how it was before and after. I'll put the pictures at the end of before and after. It is tremendously different. But yeah, that's all friends. This is how I keep myself and my friends busy over the weekends. So this is the before picture and this is the after. Yeah, it is not that perfect, but we are getting there. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. I hope you stay healthy, and remember, you can make a difference.